Hey class, good evening everyone yaar. So, how are you all doing today? I hope all of you are doing awesome. And today, as I have told you, we'll be discussing about the mirror and water images and the figure matrix. In the next session of this, I think this is the 13th session of this math series about NTSE. And I have given you two homework questions in the last week, and which I have told you ki both the questions I'll be discussing today. So I'll be discussing both the homework questions today, and let's move ahead with the this session part. So this session will be very easy. Once again I will tell you, this session is again a very easy session because the questions which are asked can be solved with without any formulas. Just a simple basic understanding if you have, then you can solve all the questions very easily. Okay, chalo. So let's move ahead. Let's discuss the homework questions first. And we have the first question, which is what is the number that should come in the place of m? So here in the place of m, what number should be here? So this was your homework question. Okay, now the solution to this question is, if you will figure it out, that the pattern here which is given, that three numbers are there, 10, 5 and 3, and in between the triangle is there. So you can see this is nothing but 95 you can observe by, you can get by 10 into 5 plus 5 into 3 plus 3 into 10. So 50 plus 30 plus 15, which is 95. Similarly, this will follow here as well. 3 into 6, 18. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 into 2, 6. So overall, you are getting 36. So similarly, this is m. So I can say 4 into m, which is 4m, plus m into 8, which is 8m, plus 4 into 8 is 32. This should be equal to 68 in the middle. So shift this 32 there, you'll be getting 12m is equal to 36. That means m is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so now I have got this correct answer from many of you. Quite a lot of students has given me the correct answer. So let us see. And the correct answer I have got from Snigdha, Shreya, Harjot, Shrey, field of subjects, Ahana, Lakshmikant, Anju, Harshal, Sri Lakshmi, Abhishek, Ahana, Lakshmikant, Adarsh, Lakshmi Agarwal, Pranav Valerao, Parth, Atul, Sunanda, Sunita, Lone Soldier, okay, Shaurya and Sampath. Also Satvik, Gaming Tube, Mayur Tiwari, Jyoti Pandita, Rider 2001, Technical Thodu, I don't know what does it mean. Okay, then Ayushi Pal, Shyam Sarup Goyal, Dheeraj Bamre, Fabulous Mayank, okay, Sahil, Abhishek, Neelaram, then Sushant, Nakusa, Lakshay, Pisanth, Chaudhary, Anjita, Abhay, Pramod, Sanjay, Bimi Shetty Sai, Clash with the Incredibles, Madhuri Venkat, Ravi Sharma and Hina. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of students, a huge number of names. Then Ritu, Mahesh, Kishore, Vatalya, Madhuri, Dheeraj, Navneet, Rishabh, Jagannath. Okay, Jagannath's name is 2 times, A to Z all in one, and Naveen Sharma. So these are all the star students who has given the correct answer for the first question, and the answer was 3. Very good. It's very easy, just use some logic. So let's move to the next homework question which was given to you on the Sunday's class, right? So the next question was, amongst the figure marked 1, 2, 3 and 4, select the one which satisfies the same condition of placement of the dot as in figure. So as I have told you, we will be looking out for the placement of dot where it can be placed. So as you can see here, the first dot here, this dot is on triangle and circle, and this dot is in triangle and square. So 2 dots I want, one I want in triangle and circle, one I want in triangle and square. Okay, now A option, can I put a plot which is only, can I put a dot which is only in triangle and circle? Yes sir, you can put a plot here, you can put a dot here, right? And a dot which is only in triangle and square? Yes sir. So the placement of dot can be done. So A is the correct answer. Why in others one you cannot get the correct answer? Because triangle and square, if wherever you will put that area will be common to circle as well. That area will be common to circle as well. So we cannot put this dot, triangle and square in all the figures, because that area is common to circle as well. So only in option A you can put the dots as shown in the figure. So same condition can be followed only in option A. So A is the correct answer. And again, many students have given me the correct answer. So let us see. I have got the correct answer from Nishu, Saksham, Rudransh, Ayushi, Harjot, Technical Thodu, Umesh, Anju, Adarsh, Jyoti, Ryder, Naveed, Sampath, Ahana, Rehana, Ritvik, Honey Singh. Honey Singh, is that the Honey Singh rapper Honey Singh? I don't know. Okay, Harsha Chaudhary, Mayur, Setupati Raja, Shivanshi, Sharmila Kundu, Sahil, Technical Devta. Oh my god, Technical Devta. From where you people will think of such names? Okay, then Prachi Sharma, Daksh Saroha, Pranav Bhalerao, Sanvi Singh, Lakshmikant Chandak, Raj Gupta, Sunita Doshi, Kishore, Ghanshyam Adhikari, Rajisha Thayyat, Ritu Katuria, Nisha, Shrey Maheshwari, Vishal Kumar, Rajput Satya, Harish Kumar, Abhay Dagar, Ashish Das, Abhishek Pujari, Salai, Divya, Snigdha, Jashan, Senthil, Ravi Sharma, JM, Aryan, Harish Thomachan, Akshara Goyal, Unknown Reveals, Vatilya Hitesh, Hina Gohil, Sanjay Jangra, Abhishek Goyal, Adib Ahmed, Lone Soldier, Abhay Dagar, BL Sharma and Muskan Verma. I think this is all. No. Pramod Joshi, Nivedita Mehra, Naveen Sharma, Field the Subjects, Jagannath, Dheeraj Bamre, Rishabh Patidar, Soumya Saloni and Aditi Gupta. So these are all the star students, as you can see. Many answers I'm getting. So I'm really happy about it. Okay. So now let us move ahead with today's topic. And congratulations all of you bacho. Your people are doing awesome. Keep preparing the same way. Okay. And prepare this way, you will reach to your goal. Don't worry about it. I'll make sure you will reach there. Just do your sincere hard work and prepare smartly. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead now. So as I've told you bachon ki today I will be doing mirror and water images and figure matrix. Next class will be on classification and analogy. Again, these two topics are very easy. Okay, quite easy topics, so no need to think much about them. Okay, you can do it quite easily. So let us practice some questions. So first thing, based on mirror images, the questions which are based on mirror images. So in these kind of questions, what is always assumed unless the mirror position is not given in the question? Always remember this thing. If the mirror position is not given in the question, it is assumed that mirror is kept to the right of the object. Mirror is kept to the right. So as you can see here, this is 0. So I have kept the mirror to the right of all the numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are all the digits. So mirror is kept to the right. Okay. All the digits. So mirror is kept to the right. So mirror, when it is kept to the right, you know the image formation whenever it is done. So the image formation, how it will be done. So in mirror, what happens that you see the like left to right inversion. Understood? So suppose if this G was here, so the point which was closer to the mirror will be shown first, then the points which are away, then the points which are away, and coming at the same point. So in a way, you have to think how the mirror image will look like. Keep the mirror here and then just invert them left to right. Left to right, you have to invert them and you will be getting the same answer. So you can here see कि some of the letters will have the same image. Let us say कि for example you can say A, then for example you can say H, I, then M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So these many letters in the capital letters are having the same image of same mirror image as shown. Okay, in the small letters I think there is I, L, M also will not be exactly same. O, then V, W, X, nothing else. Okay, so this way you can see. So nothing to ask, just you have to figure it out. Ki these will be same. So just an extra information I have given. So this is how the mirror images are formed. Okay, now the water images, how do it done? So as I've told you bachon ki mirror images, so left to right inversion you will do. whatever is the left on that side, here it will be on the right side. Correct? Suppose if I told you ki mirror image of let us say this thing, so mirror image of this part will be something like this. Okay, hands open like this, right? So this is what the mirror image will look like. So if you place them on each other, it will be fitting properly. So you just rotate them like that. Okay, so this is the mirror image. Now water image is, as I've told you, ki mirror is assumed to be on the right of the object. Water is assumed to be below the object. Water is assumed to be below the object. So below the object means how it will look. I'm sorry. So as I've told you, we will assume that water is below A. So again, same thing. Once the water is below A now, so now what will happen? Instead of that left to right conversion, we are doing up to down. Up to down this conversion is being done. Okay, so these are the water images, nothing but they are both the same thing. If I keep the mirror like this, then also the same images will be formed, right? So water image is nothing new, but this, you can assume that mirror is kept here at the bottom. Okay, so that is called the water images. So mirror images, unless it is stated, you will remember that it is kept on the right and water is at the bottom. Okay, otherwise they can change the position of mirror. Mirror is put at the top, bottom, side, anywhere they can put. Okay, so let us look at some of the questions now. So these are the water images of small letters and we can do it quite easily on our own. Now the next topic is figure matrix. So in these kind of questions, what happens is you have to figure it out that these three figures are related in some way, same relation is followed by them. So then you have to, in the third part, you have to find out if they follow the same logic, what should be here at the question mark. Understood? So these kind of questions you need to solve in the figure matrix. So again, quite mental ability type, nothing new formula or something. So you just have to figure it out what would be the pattern. So keep your this detective hats on and let's start the session, right? So let us start with the first point. So here you have to find out that what will be the mirror image. It is not stated anything, so you know that the mirror image will say ki let us say mirror is kept here, so all the images will be kept like this. Now you won't write the mirror image for the whole thing, no, use elimination. Okay, first thing you know that it will start with A because A is the closer. Option A is wrong, right? It is A. Now K will be inverted. K here, as you can see, is not inverted. K has to be inverted. B is wrong now. Correct? Look for these signs. Now here one more thing, I know that N will be inverted and here N is inverted, but here N is not inverted, so D is also wrong. So option C is the correct answer. So this is how you use the elimination. Okay, don't write the whole thing like you cannot, don't do it like that you are writing the whole image like this. Okay, and if you will do this and then you will match with everything, it will take a lot of time. So instead of doing that, use elimination. Try to eliminate the options, it will help you a lot. Okay, so by elimination method we have got that option C is the correct answer because we have got one mistake in all the options, right? So the correct answer is option C. Let's move ahead. Now the mirror image of this part. First thing, the mirror image of this part, if I want to find out this circle, I will say ki sir mirror is kept here. So this circle which is here towards the end of the left, it will be at the rightmost end. So 1, 2. So option C is wrong. Option C is wrong. Then near to the mirror, this hand should be downside, downside and downside. Okay, this hand, other hand should be up, up. So this is not up, this part is wrong. See, because of this is not up, this part is wrong. And this is only up. So already got the answer. No need to check much. Okay, so elimination helps a lot in the mirror images questions because once you eliminate eliminating the questions, it becomes very easy. So here you can see option D is your answer. Option D is your answer. Okay, so let's move ahead now. So option D is your correct answer. Let's go to the next part. So identify the mirror image. Let me know how many of you can get this answer quickly in the live chat. Let me know how many of you can get the answer quickly. 5 seconds you have. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and over. So now let us see what to do here. So as you know, I will keep the mirror here. So the same thing will be followed here as well. If this arrow is going downside this way, so it will come here this way. Now one thing, this is wrong. Arrow should not be downward, arrow should be at the same place only. Left to right conversion. C is also wrong and D is also wrong. Arrow will not point outward. Only with the help of an arrow I can say option B is the correct answer. So that is why I'm telling you, elimination helps a lot. In the image questions, always use elimination. Do not draw the whole image and then check. Don't do that. Okay, elimination helps a lot. Chalo, let's move to the next question. So the option B is the option B is the correct answer. That is what I've told. Now let's move to the next question. Now here see, as you can see, the mirror's position, it has been changed. I have told you, unless stated what you'll say, mirror is on the right, but now they have stated that mirror is placed at the bottom. So this can be a question of water images as well. So as I told you, water image is nothing new. Mirror is kept at the bottom. That is your water images. Okay. So you have to do up and down inversion. First thing I know, this arrow will look in the image something like this. Correct? This arrow will be coming something like this. Okay, chalo. So let us eliminate on this basis. A can be the answer, B can be the answer, D cannot be the answer, and B cannot be the answer because arrow will be inverted like that. Correct? Now, these 2 points should be here at the bottom. Here, these 2 points are at the wrong places. So option A is the one. Simple. I didn't even have to check for this whole. Understood? So just use the elimination. Check, try to see which parts are different, and once you got the different parts, only focus on those things. Okay, chalo. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, so option A is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, find the correct mirror image of the following problem from the given alternatives. So now bachcho, again as I have told you that you have to use the elimination technique. Now whenever you are using elimination, try to locate some shapes and see how their image will look like. Okay, so what I'll do, first thing, I will locate this shape. As you can see, this petal of a flower shape, something like that. Okay, so this shape I will figure with, so this shape's image, if I place a mirror like this, I know the image should be something like that. Correct? So I will try to figure it out. Now you can see here, this whole shape is not available here. After that it is not joining here, but there it is joining. So option A is wrong. Here, okay, this shape is present. So B can be the answer. C cannot be the answer because this shape is not complete here again. So C is also wrong, and D can be the answer. So I have told that sir, option B and D can be the answer, but A and C are not correct. Okay, elimination technique I have done. Now try to think about the part where it is, say, the difference you can see. One difference I can clearly see in both the pictures right now is this line. This line is present here and this line is not present here. So in the actual diagram, this line should be at this point. Do you see any line here? Nope. So if there is no line, this extra line won't be present, right? As you can see, there is no extra line here. So I will say, sir, option D is giving me an extra line. So option D is also correct. Wrong. So option B is the correct answer. So elimination makes it very easy. Elimination makes it very easy to solve all the questions. So again, this is the trick to you for the mirror and water images questions, that always use elimination method. That will make you solve the questions faster. Okay, chalo. So now let's move ahead with the next question. I'm sorry. Chalo, let's move. So B is the correct answer. Now choose the alternative which is closely resembling the water image of the given combination. So we need the water image means I'm sorry. So water image means this will be inverted up to down, right? So B will remain as it is. K will be inverted, but K's upside down inversion will remain same. K's upside down inversion will remain same. So this is wrong. Okay, sure. Option A is wrong. Now let's see here. 5 is same in all. 0 0 0 is same in all. R is different. So let us see how R will look. So R, if I invert it, R will look something like this. Okay, so here they have shifted the R face to that side. So option B is wrong. R face to that side, yes it may be, and option D is also wrong because of R is shifted to that side. So option C is the correct answer. So just use the elimination techniques and you will get your answer. Understood? Chalo. So let's move to the next question. So as you have told you, option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The next part is choose the correct water image. So now you have to find out this water image of this point. Okay, water image of this part. First thing bacho, if I draw the water image, so this circle will be there and this arrow will be there as well, right? Now this part which is near to water will be at the top. So you will see this black kite shape something like that. Okay, and another shape will be this part, in which this white part which is above should be closer to the water as well. Okay, so the image will look something like this, and then this here at the bottom. So as you can see clearly, option 4 and 3 are wrong. Okay, first thing I will say that sir, option D is wrong, arrow is in the wrong direction. Correct? Out of these three, I can say I have to figure it out on the basis of this part. So this part's image will, wait. Let us focus on this part's image. So this part image, how it will look. So if I invert it, and then this point, this line will become this line. Okay. So this is how it will look. This is how it is looking in option A. So option A is the correct answer. I have drawn earlier, I have drawn wrong. So that inversion was wrong. Actual, the inversion will be something like this. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer. So just focus on the difference between the options given and you will get your answer. Don't worry about it. Okay, chalo. So now let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this: identify the water image of the following. Now bacho, to identify the water image, what you can do is, you know that the mirror will be somewhere here at the bottom. I now know, let us see, focus here. The boxes are same. The main thing is this part. Okay, so now this part, let us say this part, how it will look. I will say, so this part will look something like this, and then this. Okay, I'm just focusing on this part. So from here you know that this something is not here. Option A is wrong. Here again this something, this is not here. Option B is wrong. Here we have this, but okay, this part and this part is here as well. Very good. And here we have, do we have this thing? No. I want a line something like this, not something like this. So only using one single line's reflection, I can say option C is the correct answer. Understood? So this is how you can easily solve the question. Just use the elimination again and again. I am telling you to use the elimination method. So let's move to the next question now. So now this is a figure matrix question. So in this figure kind of matrix questions, what you have to do is you have to identify one pattern. Okay, so in this question, if you will see, first thing is there are two lines which are intersecting each other. Then there is a cross made on it, and then first shape only, in the first shape 4 dots are placed. Then there is a shape. In the second part there is a cross placed on that shape, and then 4 dots outside the shape. Now there is one more shape. So in the second part they have drawn a cross on that shape. So in the next part I now know that the same shape should be drawn and 4 dots should be outside the figure, because from row 2 I can say dot should be outside the figure. So outside the figure I want dots, so I can see here clearly option 2 is the correct answer, right? Because dot should be outside. Here in option 1, 3 and 4 dots are inside the shape, which is not correct. I want the dots outside the shape, so I'll say option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now in this question, how do you identify the pattern? What is the pattern? You can see the only difference is this, the movement of this line. So let us try to track the movement of this line. So how the line is moving, I'm sorry, the line, as you can see here, from this point it is going to the extreme. First it is moving from left to right, left right, horizontal movement, and then there is a vertical movement, right? Similarly here you can see first there is done vertical movement and then horizontal movement. So wherever it is, one movement should be vertical, one movement should be horizontal, and to the opposite sides. Okay, now in this shape, as you can see from here to here, one horizontal movement has been done, so the next movement should be vertical one, so the line should be here. So in the next page, the shape should be something like this. So where is the option C? The option is option 2, from here to up. Okay, so horizontal, vertical. So this way, if you will move, you will get your answer in answer will become option 2. So this way it can be easily solved. So option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Here, what is happening here? So again, try to focus on the movements of the different objects. So first thing you can see, the movement of this square is the leftmost, left top, middle top, right top, left middle, middle, and right middle, and then left bottom, middle bottom. So definitely here, this part has to be here at the right bottom, right? So this part has to be here at the right bottom, and that too shaded. So option D is wrong. Option B is also wrong. Shaded it should be. Correct. So between A and C, we have to choose which one is the correct answer. Now let us look at the arrow. So arrow is going this. So bottom always pointing towards the center. Always pointing towards the center. Here, again bottom, but always pointing towards the center. So here it is pointing towards the center, So the next part, it will be pointing toward the center at the top only. Correct. So I can say option A is the correct answer. Why I am not focused on circle? Because I know that circle's position is same in both A and C. So even if I track the position of circle, that will be of no use to me. So why to waste time into that part? So I have directly used for the circle's position. Okay, so this is how we can say, sir, option A is the correct answer. Okay, so the figure matrix questions are also very easy if you will try to solve these questions. Now this is a homework question for you all. This is figure matrix question which you have to solve, and this is your NTSE 2017 questions. So let me know what should be the correct answer. You can mention your answers in the comment box, and next session I will be putting your names in the next session. Okay, also do try to give me the answer by the end of the today, so that I'll be taking the result by the end of the today only. Okay, chalo. So now let us move ahead. So bachcho, this is what I would like to tell you all. Do download the Vedantu's app. Okay, you are there, you're getting free doubt solving facility, study material, as well as the free classroom schedule, master classes schedule also you are getting at the Vedantu's app. All in one app it is. Okay, also like, share and subscribe to this channel bachon, because this NTSE preparation which we are doing right now, we want that each and every student can reach out to this platform, and those who are sitting far away in some village or something, they also get to know about it, and they also will learn something out of it. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also do press the bell icon if you are new here, so that you will be getting the notification of each and every videos which we are doing. So we'll be daily putting some videos out there, so it is better you press the bell icon, so that you will be getting the schedule of each and every class. Also for any queries, you can reach out to me at gopal.paliwal@vedantu.com. So this is all bachcho in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, good night. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.